Hello everyone, so today we're going to play a game. Now our game is a music game and we need to listen very carefully to the different sounds that you can hear. So you need to use your ears and do some good listening, and then we're going to choose what we can hear. The game is called What is Inside the Noisy Box? Inside the noisy box, I'm going to put lots and lots of different things that make a noise, and we have to guess what sound that we can hear. Are you ready? So, the first thing that I'm going to put inside the noisy box is a bell. Let's listen to the bell. The first thing is a bell. Ding ding! Can you hear the bell? So the bell is going inside the noisy box. The next thing I'm going to put inside the noisy box is some maracas. Some maracas. Shall we listen to the maracas? Shake, shake the maracas. So we have the maracas and we have the bell. So we're going to put them inside the noisy box and we're going to sing. Are we ready? What's inside the noisy box? The noisy box, the noisy box. What's inside the noisy box? Listen carefully. Now Amanda is going to play one of the instruments and we're going to guess which one. Is it going to be the bell or is it going to be the maracas? Let's listen. What can you hear? Is it the maracas? Nearly saw it. Or is it the bell? Listen carefully. Can you choose? That's right. It's the bell. You could hear the bell. Good. Okay, so are we ready to put some more things inside the noisy box? Let's listen to what we have. So the first thing I'm going to put into the noisy box is a tambourine. Shall we listen to the tambourine? Are we ready? The tambourine is going inside the noisy box. The second thing we're going to put inside the noisy box is, you might recognise this shape, a triangle. A triangle. Shall we listen to the triangle? You can play it slowly. Triangle. So the triangle is going inside the noisy box. So we have a triangle. Ding ding. And we have so let's use our ears and listen to what sound we can hear. Are we ready? What's inside the noisy box? The noisy box, the noisy box. What's inside the noisy box? Listen carefully. What sound can we hear? Is it going to be a triangle or is it going to be the tambourine? Are you ready to listen? What instrument made that sound? Was it the triangle or was it the tambourine? The triangle or the tambourine? Shall we listen again and have a look? Ready? Now are you ready to choose? Is it the triangle, or is it the tambourine? That's right. It was the triangle. Ding, ding. Oh, the triangle. Good job. So, we're going to put 2 more things inside the noisy box. Are we ready? So the first thing we're going to put inside the noisy box is the wood block. The wood block. Shall we listen to the sound that the wood block makes? Are we ready? The wood block. The second thing we're going to put inside the noisy box is some keys. Shall we listen to the sound that the keys make? Jingle, jingle. The keys. So inside the noisy box we have the wood block and we have the keys. So we're going to put it inside the noisy box. What is it going to be? Is it going to be the wood block or is it going to be the keys? Let's listen. Ready? What's inside the noisy box? The noisy box, the noisy box. What's inside the noisy box? Listen carefully. What can you hear? Are we ready? Can you hear the keys or can you hear the wood block? What sound can you hear? Did you guess? Are you ready to choose what sound you can hear? Is it the keys or is it the wood block? That's right. It was the keys. Jangling my keys. I hear keys. Good job. You could make your own noisy box at home. All you just need is a box. You could even use a bag or something with a lid on it, and you can put different things around your house that make a noise. You could even use the sound of some crisps and hear the rustling. You could choose pots and pans, or you could choose some keys. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.